In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma. First, make sure your Figma design file is open and you are looking at the canvas where you want the image to appear. Having a frame or artboard ready can help keep things organized, but you can place images anywhere on the canvas. The quickest method is drag and drop. If you already have an image on your computer, just drag it from your File Explorer and drop it directly onto the Figma canvas. When you release the mouse, the image appears at your cursor position. You can then click and drag to move it where you want. Use the corner handles to resize it smoothly, keeping it clear and proportional. This method is great for speed and works well when you have multiple images. Just drag them in one after another and arrange as needed. If you prefer using a tool, Figma has a dedicated option for placing images. Go to the toolbar. Open the Shapes drop-down and choose Image or Video. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+K. This opens your file browser so you can select the image you want. After you choose it, return to the canvas and either click once to place it at its default size, or click and drag to draw the area where the image should go. Dragging gives you more control over the initial size and placement, which can save time if you already know the space you want to fill. For images that need to live inside a specific shape or frame, use the Fill option. Select a shape or a frame on your canvas. In the right-hand sidebar, go to the Fill panel and click the color swatch. From the drop-down, change the type from a solid color to image. Then select your file. The image will fill that selected shape or frame, giving you a clean, contained look. This approach is perfect for placeholders, avatars, thumbnails, or any design where the image must stay within a defined boundary. After it's placed, you can refine how it appears using the fill settings, adjusting scale and position to get the composition just right. That's all to insert images in Figma. Thanks for watching.